The owner told me to mop with what? So the owner told me to mop with a little bit of this, some bleach, and a splash of detergent. I gave it a shot for 3 days because the owner insisted on it making the floors look so clean, but that stuff started to stink and customers were complaining, so I brought in my Pine Sol from home. Now let me tell y'all how raggedy this process is to get this mop and bucket ready. First off, we start with this dirty bucket. Then I have to pour this 5-gallon bucket of cold water into the mop bucket with the Pine Sol. And mind you, I have to fill up this 5-gallon bucket with a little 1-gallon bucket. And then I proceed to mop. So y'all remember when I told y'all that the owner said that his little concoction made the floor look so clean and whatnot? Well, the lie detector test determined that that was a lie. If you've seen my videos before, you know that these floors are chipped and look disgusting. No matter how hard I clean them, they always look horrible. There are so many things wrong with this mopping process, but the main one for me is that I'm mopping with freaking cold water. Who does that? Anyhow, here's what the floor looks like after I finish mopping, and it looks like I've done absolutely nothing. I literally sweat while mopping, and that effort goes to waste because these floors still look nasty.